Mahal ka ng iba. Kailan ako magtitiis na ba nito? Ouch! Bakit nga ba? Mahal kita. Langga ko eh. Kung ba na tayo kung ba? Mga issues na nalibot sa mga food pleasure ko. Ay! Kaya di ba yung mga tawag na wag kaya? Step nanay! Step nanay? Gusto ko na tayo di ba? Ba't si Step nanay? Kinalan mo lang. Sabi na kilala si Step. Hindi ko kilala pero langga ko. Sino? Step nanay. Nagkaroon kami ng stepdad. Siya may stepdad kami sa iya. Sino stepnanay niya? What? Sino naman? Basta official eh. Pili ka. Si Sophia, si Dane, si Mai, si Rich. Si Rich! I like that chubby. Si Rich. Ang Motorado. Si Rich Motorado. Piliyon mo eh. Diba? When will you stop guys? You know, it's way over. It is so not over. Oh my god! I actually feel like it's over, but I know it's not over. Guys, tomorrow wake up, it's way over. July 3 at that. July 3, 10 p.m. BD.
Remember?
2008? It was over 2009. 2000. And why? How? Simple. With that stupid kiddo. Okay, blame it. You know what? You're suffering from upper class syndrome. I think you're suffering from upper class syndrome.
No.
Do you think she's suffering from upper class syndrome?
I think so too.
See, do you think she's suffering from upper class syndrome?
No.
Bilak. Oh, bilak ang sapat. Kutay, in other words. You want it for vulgar terms? I can say it. I can say
What?
Kutay.
How was that? Fun?
Well, I tried it and it's exquisite.
Gagit niya. Nak, hindi kita pinalaki ng ganyan.
I've tried it twice and it's exquisite.
Nak, hindi kita pinalaki ng ganyan.
You raised me well, father. You raised me up. You raised me up.
Where's the fucking lighter?
I don't know. Where is the fucking lighter? Uno, pass the fucking lighter. It's the lighter you used to fuck.
Wild na mo.
Para pag inasing. Ouch!
Kapulay na ko.
Third blood.
Kapulay na ko.
Beyond godlike na siya sa pag-igor sa imo.
Hindi mo na muna ay.
Ouch! Having a good time. Having a good time, friends. Okay? Been out? Luha-luha.
butter chicken.
Half and half.
Then in,
Dine.
Dine in. Thank you.
Kayo, one more board sa.
Kayo, wala ko na board.
And how did you feel about the song?
Did it hurt?
Tough shit.
Sorry, he's amused. Of course it did.
This is the person who's always saying that it's way over.
Oh.
Is it really?
It looks like Sharon Khan.
You know, losing her is not just, just get over it. And it stays with you forever.
Bilang? First
Ano to, Jam?
never dies. First love never dies nga, di ba, Cham?
Ay, mali ko.
May first love din ni Eneko. Gugmang shot. Hola, Juana, I'm gonna kill you.
Uy, what is that?
What's the meaning of your humiliation?
Ay, ala. Uy, tama na na.
Damn, I love you.
Someone is hiding and making a documentary of someone getting pissed about getting over.
Oh!
It's way over, guys.
Pataan mo na ito.
Ako ba
Kiss
yun?
my arms.
Ako ba yun?
Kiss my arms. It ain't over yet unless it's said in English.
Ano? Someone... Yes? It's not...
It's so charming. Tayo din sila say, kiss my arms. And it's not over unless you say it in English.
It's way over.
It's PS I Love You. You should watch the
Oh,
movie.
guys, come on. When will you stop? It's way over.
Hindi, ikaw pinatid siya.
Ganun na factor eh.
Hi.
Over M sounds like forever!
Wala mo na.
You can't say over without forever.
Really? Oh, God.
It's something profound that you and I can't understand.
Why?
Because it's too profound for us.
Why?
It just is. Like chocolate. It just is. Oo, eh. Arugante na ako. Sobrang arugante.
Oh, diba? Oh, diba? It's so normal to be arrogant.
Jem, I love you.
Ano ganito, Ons? Mahirap maging matalino.
Sa paligid ng mga bobo.
Ay, ikaw, what the fuck?
Dahil ikaw pa rin.
Oh, ouch! All the songs are dedicated to FN and her past. Kung lawayan, di ko gamit sa kulit na
sa tuwing ako ay nasa isip-isipa ay nakita ka ba na ibang kasiyahan. Di ko lang
You saw that? You saw that look in his face? Say it! I remember Floyd!
para sa'yo. Dahil ikaw ang puso ko, ikaw ang nasa isip ko. Nais ko